Hello, guys, in this video I will show you how to change cloth design in Photoshop in easy and simple steps. First, make a copy of layer by pressing Ctrl+J, select the layer. Now select the quick selection tool and make a selection of area. Make sure the area is properly selected. And then click on select and color range. Clicked on sampled colors, fuzziness 55 to 55 and selection preview to grayscale. Press Ctrl+U to open hue and saturation option. Now click on colorized option. And play with setting. Press OK when you're happy with your effect. Zoom in. Boom, your effect is ready. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe my channel. And also check in tutorial on my channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.